So in this video I'll get multiple sets of data to graph on the same axes, which is probably something lots of people want to do at the moment. Logopro's looking pretty hopeless and you're probably thinking you want to go back to graphing on Excel because we've got one set of our three sets of data graphed, just the red first trial, and it's all squashed up at the top, which can't be interpreted. So the first thing we want to do is get all three sets of data on there. If you've brought data across within Logopro, you might have added columns. If you've done your data logging within Logopro, you might have added columns, colorimetry data, things like that. They just don't show up when you add them. So this should show you how to make that graph show them. So if you double click on the graph itself and you go to the axes options, it should show up all of the columns that you've got in the data set, and you can choose which ones you want it to graph and display. So I've got three sets of data, three trials, so I want to graph all three, and it's automatically chosen the plot points. You can change those by double clicking on each column if you want. So if I do that, it looks like it's added those, but at the moment the scaling's pretty dreadful. So if I auto scale by clicking that button up there, things look a lot clearer. If, and this might be the case if you're using data logging, if it's automatically connecting the dots, just check that this line is not, this box is not ticked, so that it doesn't connect the dots, it doesn't do a dot-to-dot graph. But that's my data plotted. The next step would be to add trend lines, which I'll show you in the next video.